Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to explain what demand forecasting is and why it's so important in the world of supply chain management. So what is demand forecasting? Demand forecasting is the process of predicting how much of a product or service customers will want in the future. It helps businesses make smart decisions about what to stock, when to order, and how much to produce. Forecasting is like planning using real data, such as past sales, seasonal trends, and customer behavior. It's not a random guess, it's based on information businesses already have. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you own an ice cream shop. In summer, more people buy ice cream. In winter, sales go down. By checking last year's sales, you can predict that demand will rise in June, July, and August. So you order extra stock and hire more staff before summer. In winter, you order less. This helps you avoid running out of stock when it's busy and saves money when it's quiet. That's how demand forecasting helps businesses plan ahead. So why is demand forecasting important? First, it helps businesses avoid stockouts. When items run out, customers can be disappointed. Forecasting helps keep shelves full at the right time. Second, it helps prevent overstocking. Having too much stock wastes money and storage space. Third, demand forecasting helps businesses plan the entire supply chain better. It helps them decide how much to produce, where to store items, how many people to hire, and how to deliver products on time. There are different types of demand forecasting too. Short-term forecasting helps businesses plan for the next few weeks or months. This is useful for sales, offers, or seasonal trends. Long-term forecasting looks at trends over 1 year or more and helps businesses make big decisions, like launching new products or opening new warehouses. Some companies use simple spreadsheets for forecasting. Others use special software that looks at past sales and predicts future demand using artificial intelligence. Why should you care about demand forecasting? Whether you work in supply chain, retail, or even if you're starting your own business, demand forecasting can help you save money, avoid mistakes, and serve your customers better. Without good forecasting, businesses can lose sales, waste stock, and disappoint customers. To sum it up, demand forecasting is all about helping businesses make smart decisions before problems happen. It keeps the supply chain running smoothly and helps companies stay competitive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more easy and practical supply chain tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.